cyberpunk aesthetics. It is immersed design in a futuristic and dystopian realm, characterized by high-tech urban landscapes and a gritty, rebellious edge. It is needed to create visually compelling and edgy designs that reflect the evolving digital world and its complex relationship with society. Designers can use cyberpunk aesthetics to convey a sense of futurism, technology, and social commentary. Examples include neon-lit cityscapes, glitch art, and cyber-enhanced characters in various media, reflecting the blend of technology and human experience. If you are interested in knowing about more such design terms, check out my video on 101 design terms that every graphic designer should know. It's your key to unlocking innovation, refining project scopes, and enhancing user experiences. Whether you are exploring design trends, delving into advanced brand strategies, or navigating the intricacies of UI UX, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hasta la vista, Chero!